Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete all Google activities like searches or history. So I'm going to show in my Android phone. So if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see I'm on my Android phone. So let the open Google Chrome, or you can open the Google app also from your computer, from your mobile. So here if you try to search something, there is a, you can see suggestion, you can see here. So if you can delete one by one from here. Okay, you can delete. Now I will show you the, you can also delete the activities from Google account, but first I am going to show you searches. This is searches. Okay, so you can delete one by one, or if you want to delete all, then just click on this three dot option and go to the history. And this is your browsing, sir, browsing history. You can delete, this is Chrome browsing history. And what when I first show you the suggestion, this is history from your Google account. So you can delete search history, Chrome search history from here. Just click on clear search history. Select the time range 24 hours 7 days all time. And here you select the browsing history, cookies, caches, or you can clear, you can do advanced also if you want to delete password and all. So just select all, just, select the time range and clear. Okay, so it will be delete your browsing search history only. So now we are going to talk about the suggestion is what, this is this. Okay, so how you can delete this one, you can delete one by one, or go same, go to this three line option, go to the search history, and here you can see my activities google.com link. Just click on it. Now it will be bring you the next page. Okay, so it is, I think internet is gone, let me check. So it will be bring you the this page. You have to check the email id whether it's same or not, because every, if you have login more than one email id in your device, so every email id has different activities. So here you can see there's the three type of history: web or app activities, location history, and YouTube search history. You can on off the history like location history and YouTube history, and you can off every history from here. Now you can see you can delete one by one, or you can delete like, just click on delete, select the time range. Okay, select all product, or you can just unselect all, or you can select only Chrome and Google from here searches. Okay, and just click on next. Okay, so this issue has been there, so delete it. So it is deleted. Okay, so go again, I think. Okay, all time. Okay, now if we check, come back and check in Google. So okay, so I think we did not delete. One second, let me check. Okay guys, when you try to delete, just click on delete and select all time. Okay, and select everything from here. Okay, I just deleted because I delete this, and that's why it show here. You will see all product here. Just select all, just don't unselect anything, and click on next. Then all your history will be deleted. So now if we check in Google, so there is no suggestion or search history, you can see. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.